Siyempre kasama namin si Carl. Carl, salamat.
Salamat, libre niyo eh.
Okay lang yan. Lilibre mo naman kami kape mamaya. Yan. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim nito. Ano tawag dito? Ice cream ba? Hindi.
Pwede mo. Basahin mo.
Shaved ice.
Ayun, shaved ice. O, tama, nabasa ko pala siya kanina. Shaved ice. Sa Jane Deere.
Day 3.
Eating panda.
What is the panda eating?
We will go to river.
Wonder.
Yay!
Go to the river wonder.
Me. Good morning. Day 3. So we're going to River Wonders today. And then after shopping.
A few inches later.
So dito na ulit kami sa Enchanted Garden para mag-breakfast. Kami pa lang, sila mama naligo na yun, saka sila ate. Kasi sinabi ako sila na maligo. Tapos saka na kumain. Kaya lang kami, mukhang hindi kami maliligo muna kasi dahil si Zabi, magdudumi pa to. Mamaya na lang. Tapos kumain, kaya maaga kami kumain. Morning. Funny eating panda. Ay. Funny eating dinosaur. Ate. Ayan sila Ate Ami. So dito kami sa lobby, hinunta namin si Kuya Bernard, our good driver slash tourist guide here in Singapore. So, 9 AM pa naman yung dating. Yan. Good morning, Sir Bernard. How are you? Yeah. How was your sleep? Yeah. Good.
I was wake up where I dreamed that my vehicle cannot find.
Oh my God. At least it's a dream. Are you ready?
Excuse me.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah!
High five. Very good. Very good. High five. Very good. Okay, let's go, guys. Are you ready to go to River Wonders?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Tataas din yung kamay ni Sabi. Ganadong-ganado ngayong araw na to, ah. Hello.
Okay, just for your information, actually our park opens at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yes.
Alright. But
In the
can...
meantime, you can just wait at Starbucks first. Later at 9:55, you can start queuing up.
Alright. Bye.
This na sandwich na lang, strawberry blossom cheesecake na lang. Vanilla frap.
Strawberry blossom cheesecake. Ente, ano, pili ka na panggata. Tapos may ano, may galit oh, ayun oh, galit. Oh.
Nilabas
Galit
na
na
yung,
galit eh. Oh.
labas na yung ngipin niya.
Kakainin niya lahat yan. So tama tayo, yung galit kanina, giant tiger fish. Tapos tilapia yung isa, zebra. Galing ah.
Tiger fish.
Peekaboo! Smile! Smile!
Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Gotcha. So, patawid na kami ng bridge. Dito kami sa bridge. Papunta na sa boat ride. Try namin yung boat ride. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Ito na makikita sa boat ride na yun. Let's see. Are you ready to ride? Stan! Are you ready to ride?
Ready.
Okay, we're here, boat ride.
kayo dito, ano yung ride?
Ano sabihin mo?
Malakas, may malaking drop.
Pag sinabi mo kay Mami Lola na na yung rides hindi nakakatakot, di maniniwala kasi yung sa Revenge of the Mami. Tinakot yun eh. Ako ba? Yep, tapos na. Yeah, it's already done. Done! Done!
Zoe, huwag ka doon. Chill lang.
So what can you say about the ride?
Chill po.
Eme? Chill, Eme. So dito sa boat ride, pwede kang magre-ride. Pwede kang pumunta ulit. Wala naman ng bayad. So,
Ulitin natin.
no, i-U-turn tayo.
You only want to listen around the cup or you read the pink. Okay, let's go. Reality, you must know how to concentrate on your food. You keep on doing you. Let go of
Sila Dermy nakapikit. Nanonood nakapikit. Sila Dermy, tingnan nyo.
Sige, basta sa exit. Exit na lang. Tigil na dyan.
A few inches later.
So, nandito na kami sa IMM. Gonna do food trip muna and then go shopping. And the biggest outlet store here in Singapore. Sapatos mo sigo. $166 dito. Gano'n bili mo yan dyan?
First time pala, we have to selfie. I have to take a picture.
Kami ngayon sa Bugis Street. At papipicture na kami ni Ebes.
It's our first
With
time
Via.
here. Diba? So how's Bugis? Items are expensive or...
Enjoy our new sophisticated mocktails.
So ito yung pool area sa yung gym. Katabi lang. So Hindi ko alam kung maliligo pa sila ngayong morning. So this is our last day. Mamayang gabi, balik na kami sa Pilipinas. Sa ito yung pool. Maulan din kasi. Kaya, ewan ko. Pero hindi naman ganun kalamig yung pool. Hindi siya yung pag naglublob ka para ka nasa sapa or para ka nasa river na sobrang lamig ng tubig. Hawaii! Kuya Bernard! Last day.
No passport. I need a new maid inside my house. Stay my house.
No passport, stay at Sir Bernard's house. Check your passports, guys. So ito, gaya na kami papuntang Changi Airport. Going back to the Philippines. Some kita-kits later. Okay.
A few inches later.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Sir Bernard. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You're the best. What?
What? You know what to play? Yeah.
Ano?
I need to watch it. Artan.
Say hi to your papa.
Bye-bye.
Shout out.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Daddy. Run.
Mom.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. One. Okay, Mom. One, Mommy. One.
So dito kami ngayon sa Jewel. Puro tubig. Kaya dumaan lang kami bago kami masok sa Terminal 4. Apa. Kahit saan naman meron yung mga pwesto na Dermy.
Dito, trend dito.
Ha?
Rising up like phoenixes. Been tired of pushed to the ground.
So we're here at the airport. Changi.
In my heart like it really is. 'Cause
Sa part kami ng parang duty free sa
I know.
Changi
I
Airport.
see, I like,
Gonna scroll lang. Maybe buy something. Let's see, coffee.
I see, I like, I go, I get, go again, go again, go again now.
Hi, Miss Azana. I would just like to ask if at the part of G20, is there a food stores there?
Unfortunately, most of the shops are at late.
How about some like food?
If you continue walking towards your left, you will see some chunky. So that's the street that if you can head up a little bit, you have a
I'm looking for
Coffee shop.
Most of them are very much ready for fire music. Heritage one on the left hand side of the near the heritage side, you will see the heritage. Everything else I can assist you with.
No, then thanks for the candies.
Alright, please